Hello, YouTube, my YouTube family. My name is Dr. Lee. Welcome to my channel. If you like what you see here, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. You can leave any comments. If you have any questions, I'll be sure to address them. In this video, I will be demonstrating hand washing according to Prometric Guidelines. Hand washing. So, with this skill, I'm going to start at the sink. My hands are dirty. I'm going to be doing hand washing to clean my hands. So the first thing I'm going to do is to turn the water on. Hot, cold water. I want to wet my hands and my wrists. Okay? Keeping your fingers pointed down and being careful not to touch the inside of the sink. After I've wet my hands, I will gather soap. And for this particular skill, I will encourage you to gather a lot of soap because you will need to lather for approximately 20 seconds. So I'm getting my soap. And I did about 4 pumps, so I have a lot of soap here. I have a clock up here on the wall, so I'm going to start lathering. Look at the clock, it's on an 8, so I'm going to keep lathering my hands and my wrists for 20 seconds. I'm just now at 10 seconds. I want to get it real good. Use a lot of friction. Okay, my 20 seconds are up. It's okay if you go over the 20 seconds. You do not want to go under the 20 seconds. After I've washed my hands for 20 seconds, I'm going to take the fingernails of one hand and rub it across the palm of the opposite hand. Then I'm going to do the same with the opposite hand fingernail, rub it on this palm. Now, for Prometric, you need to clean around the cuticle and nail beds of each hand. I'm going to take my thumb, slide up this thumb, and rub around the nail bed. I'm going to do the same thing for each one of my digits, each finger. This way I'm cleaning around the nail bed and fingers. Now I'm going to do the opposite hand. Go up the thumb, get around the nail bed cuticle. Index finger, nail bed cuticle. Middle finger, nail bed cuticle. Ring finger, nail bed cuticle. And now the baby finger, nail bed and cuticle. And if you notice, I do not touch the inside of this sink at any time. Now I'm going to rinse the soap off of my hands. Keep your hands pointed down. And you need to make sure that you get all the soap off of your hands. For this skill, because I'm being graded on removing all of the soap, I'm going to turn my hands over to make sure I don't have any soap left on my hands. If you want to kind of gently tap your fingers together to get extra water off, you can. Now, leave the water running. I'm going to get a paper towel, however many you think you need. I normally get 3 for me. And I'm going to start drying my hands. For Prometric, they don't care how you dry your hands. Just dry your hands and your wrists, okay? All right, get them dried real good. Leave the water running. The paper towel that you use to dry your hands with will go into the trash container. Now, you will get a clean paper towel because your hands are clean now. I just tear it in half, and you want to turn off each water faucet handle. Once you do that, this paper towel goes into the trash. Now you can look at your nurse evaluator and say, I am through with my skill. I hope you all enjoyed this short video. I hope it was clear. Again, if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, I appreciate getting a thumbs up, and I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. I'll see you later in the next video. This is Dr. Lee. Bye.